Hello everyone, how are you? This is your Sir Arindam and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revision Learning. So students of class 5, I hope that every one of you is doing fine and well. Be safe, stay in your homes till your school reopens during this pandemic. And you know that we have completed your first chapter of social science book. You can say your EVS or you can say your social science book first chapter, maps and globes. So today we will start your exercise part in a very short way because we are not going to cover the full exercise. Okay, so students, everybody take out your book, your exercise, page number 216, and here you will find the first question of your chapter. Okay, so your first question is, what is the shape of the earth? And your answer will be, the earth is spherical in shape. Come to your second question, name the largest continent, and this answer will be Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Now come to test yourself, take the correct answer. From the same page, first question, the dash ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean, and you are given 4 options with A Arctic, B Antarctic, C Pacific and D Indian. And your answer will be, you all know that your answer will be Pacific Ocean, because Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. And the second one, a dash is a model of the earth. You know, it's a very easy answer, a globe. A globe is a model of the earth. Now come to A, multiple choice questions, MCQ, take the correct answer. Number 1, land masses are called, your answer will be continents. See, continents. Okay. Now second, dash is the smallest continent, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Third, the earth is, again you got the answer in your first question, the earth is spherical in shape. And the last one, a physical map shows. So here it's very interesting that you have given all the options here. Option A, highlands such as mountains, option B, water bodies, and option C, plains. And a physical map shows all of these. So without selecting option A, B and C separately, you select option D. Your option D is all of these. Okay students, I hope you got this. Now let's come to B, fill in the blanks in your next page. So first question, maps showing states and capitals are called, they are called political maps, because political maps shows states and capitals. Second, a dash is drawn on a flat surface, your answer will be map. A map is drawn on a flat surface. Now come to next, maps are always drawn to scale. Okay, and your last one, dash color is used to show mountains and hills on map. It's very easy, dark brown. With the help of dark brown color, it is used to show the mountains and hills, the hilly areas on a map. Now come to C, short answers. Question number 1, name the 7 continents. Your answer is, the 7 continents are 1 Asia, 2 Africa, 3 North America, 4 South America, 5 Antarctica, 6 Europe and 7 Australia. Second question, name the 5 oceans. The 5 oceans are, number 1, the Pacific Ocean, number 2, the Atlantic Ocean, number 3, the Indian Ocean, number 4, the Antarctic Ocean, and number 5, the Arctic Ocean. Now let's come to question number 3. Why it is important to understand the language of maps? In order to understand the information given on a map, it is very important to understand the language of maps. And your last question, why are all maps drawn to scale? All maps are drawn to scale because all maps are not as large as the area as they depict. Okay students, that's it for today. Today I will finish my video here. And this is your only the first part. Tomorrow I will give you the second portion of your exercise, where you will get the rest of your answers. Till then students, be safe and keep studying. because your education is our care. See you soon.